Hey adventurers!
Today we're rolling into one of Germany's most stunning cities, Dresden.
And we do mean rolling. We came in by train and oh man, the skyline view as we pulled into the city, insta-worthy.
Germany just keeps raising the bar, and Dresden absolutely crushed it. Castles, sandwiches, and a bratwurst that defied all bun logic.
The Dresden train station is seriously adorable. And look at this giant stack of book sculpture.
You already know Kylie had to take a photo with that. Pose mode activated.
Okay, let's talk food. We are officially obsessed with Dean and David's. Why don't we have these in the US yet?
Fresh, flavorful, healthy-ish, and super satisfying. If you're ever in Germany and find one, go.
Speaking of underrated eat, German train station sandwiches. Don't laugh, they're amazing.
We still talk about those sandwiches like randomly years later. Germany, you're doing sandwiches right.
And yes, of course, we found another bratwurst, but this time massive. Like bun cannot contain it levels of bratwurst.
The size alone was a whole conversation. It's like Germany said, here's your hot dog, good luck. We stayed in the cutest little Airbnb on the top floor of this charming apartment building.
And check out this view. I looked right down on this little cozy square filled with shops.
And you know how we feel about shops. Windows? Yeah, we peeked in them. Trinkets? Admired. And do you remember that one even had a car inside? Still not sure why.
Yeah, we did a ton of walking in Dresden. One of our favorites was this gorgeous old looking bridge that gave us this epic view.
And just when you think you're taking a normal stroll, bam, castle. Like just chilling in the background, all casual. You definitely can't catch that in the US.
We also came across this huge palace, or maybe cathedral or something that was being restored.
And wow, the level of precision and care they're using to preserve it, so impressive. I bet it'll look amazing when it's done.
You can tell they're taking history serious here. No shortcuts.
I just can't get enough of the architecture in Germany. Every corner looks like a postcard.
We honestly lost track of what some of the buildings even were, but each one looked like they had their own story to tell.
And of course, one of our favorite parts, another beautiful temple trip.
Another one checked off the list. Lacey's temple goals are on fire.
I'm determined, okay? I've got to see them all. And at the rate that they're building them, I've got a lot of catching up to do.
Okay, real talk. One of the funniest things about international travel, laundry.
When all the machine settings are in German and your clothes depend on Google Translate.
Pretty sure we started a load that lasted 3 hours. Who knows what cycle we chose?
I guess they're cleanish, right?
Close enough.
Now to figure out how the heck to hang these things so they get dry by tomorrow. Good luck. Honestly, as hot as it is out there right now, it might feel good to just walk around still wet.
That's for sure.
Dresden was an absolute dream. Gorgeous views, unforgettable food, and even better memories.
Germany, you've stolen our hearts again.
Adventurepreneurs at